Welcome back to Enchanting English. Today's session is mainly for my students who requested me to do a session on figures of speech. So today we are going to learn simile and metaphor, the two figures of speech used in poetry. First, let us learn what is meant by simile. Simile is a figure of speech in which two objects of different kinds which have at least one point in common are compared using like or as. It means you make a comparison between two objects or two things using the words like or as. Let us consider this example. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. These are the beautiful lines taken from William Wordsworth's famous poem, The Daffodils. Here, the poet makes a comparison between the daffodil flowers and the stars. You know that the stars in the sky are numerous. There are so many that it is impossible to be counted. Similarly, the poet sees a group of golden daffodils and he feels that there are so many in number that they cannot be counted, and hence a beautiful comparison. So this is an example for simile, and now we have another example. Let us consider these lines. And shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwillingly to school. These are the famous lines taken from William Shakespeare's play As You Like It. Here, the poet speaks about the second stage of a man's life. The second stage of a man's life is that of a school-going child. I'm sure that you all have observed how a small child moves to the school. He moves very, very slowly to the school in the morning, very unwillingly. Just like a snail. How does a snail move? Very, very slowly. Similarly, a school-going child moves very slowly, unwillingly to the school. And hence, the poet makes use of this comparison. The movement of the child is like that of the movement of a snail. So, another example we got now. Let us now learn what is meant by metaphor. Metaphor, we can say it is an implied simile. Here two objects are compared without using words such as like or as. So this is a main difference between simile and metaphor. Both are used to speak about comparison. But in metaphor, you don't use like or as. Let us consider this example. Life is a battlefield. Here, a beautiful comparison is made. Life is compared to a battlefield. We know that we face a lot of troubles and difficulties in life, and every problem that we have is like a battle that you have to fight. And only if you have grit and determination, you can win the battle. So you can win your life only if you have grit and determination. So a beautiful comparison is made here without using like or as. So this is an example for metaphor. Let us see another example. All the world is a stage. This is again a famous line from William Shakespeare's All the World is a Stage. Here, the world is compared to a stage. How can a world be compared to a stage? You all have observed a skit performed in a stage. And you know that there you see so many characters, and each character comes and enacts his role and exits. Similarly, there are so many human beings born in this world, and every human being, every man and woman born here are bound to perform different roles, or they have to enact different characters on the stage. So the poet makes a comparison between the world and the stage without using like or as. So this is an example for metaphor. I hope you understood the difference between simile and metaphor, and you will find it very easy to identify these two figures of speech in poetry. Thank you for watching. Do keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.